Hi, today I thought we could have a look at these interlinked smoke alarms. Let's open the box. Here we are. Let's pick up this one. This part is the actual base. You mount this, then put the detector onto it by twisting it. There are two tags in it. This one, which is to remove the battery, and this one, which is to enable the battery. Let's pull that out. I've now tipped them over so that you can see the test button. Let's do this one. Press and hold. As you can see, they're flashing red and green to indicate not only they're in alarm, but the alarm is coming from a different detector, i.e. not the one you're testing. One of the comments I saw for these said that they are very loud. Let's find out how loud very loud is. Here I have my decibel meter. (105 decibels, I believe that said. Not bad. Because these are radio interlinked, I also want to test the radio interlink. I'm going to take one with me and I'm going to go elsewhere in the house. I quite like them. How much do you think they actually cost? Radio interlinked, complete with batteries. The detectors themselves, £16. No, that wasn't £16 each. That was £16 for the three of them. Yes, you did hear right. £16 for all three. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy some. They are not mains interlinked. The batteries for these are CR123As. I'll leave a link in the description should you need some. A few points to note. These are not suitable if you are in Scotland. I also read somewhere that the batteries last 10 years. Unfortunately, that is not true. The detector should last 10 years. The battery should last 5 years. Like most smoke alarms, these have to be changed every 10 years anyway. It doesn't matter which brand of smoke alarm you have. They might work for 10 years, but ideally you should change them. I have changed all the smoke detectors here, as mine were just on 11 years old, so I thought best time to change them. I'll leave a link in the description to the video where you see me doing that too. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.